Hello, today I will show you how to make poppy flower from crepe paper and polymer clay. This is an easy flower project and I hope you will have fun. So here are the materials that you need. So let's begin making the stammen. Here I will show you a bigger version of the stammen because I am not quite sure if you will be able to see it in the 1/12 version. So take your black polymer clay and roll it to a ball or tear shape. And then insert the wire to the clay and start shaping it to a Kisses chocolate shape. Once you're satisfied with how it looks like, you can texture the stammen using a cocktail stick or something similar. So here is the 1/12 version on the left side, just to compare it with the bigger version. So make several of these and bake them together and let them cool. Here I have already punched the crepe paper with an office puncher, and what I want to do is just press them with the ball stylus to create a concave shape. And then next, apply glue to the polymer clay and attach and pinch the petal one at a time. So here I used 3 to 4 petals for each flower. It depends on how big you made your stamen. And then once all the petals are attached, you can then open the flower wider using a cocktail stick. And then lastly, we are going to paint the flower. So make a dot on the stamen to make it look like it has the pollens on it. I am using a mustard yellow color here, but you can also use purple or dark red. And then finally paint the stem with green paint. And then that's it, you are done, and it's again another easy project for beginners. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and get notified for new videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and have fun making this project. Bye bye and have a great day. See you!